In this video, I will show you how you can fix if Safari is not working on your iPad. Now to start, first of all, just open the control center on your iPad, then go to the connection section. And from here, just make sure that your iPad is connected to the internet, because Safari requires the internet connection to run. After that, just tap on the airplane mode icon and turn it on. And after that, just wait for a couple of seconds, then tap on it and turn it off. Now just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just swipe up from the bottom of the screen and open the Recent Apps section and remove Safari from the background. After that, just perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. And once the force restart process has been completed, then just go to your home screen and check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go to Settings, and under Settings just scroll down and tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for Safari, then tap on it. Now from here, just look for Safari Suggestions and disable this toggle. And after you disable Safari Suggestions, then just scroll down and tap on Clear History and Website Data. Now just select All History and enable Close All Tabs. After that, just tap on Clear History, then just scroll down and tap on Advanced. And on this page, just make sure you enable JavaScript. After you've done that, now for the next step, you will require the password of the parental controls on your iPad. After you get the password of the parental controls, then just tap on Screen Time, and from here just tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions, and if this toggle is enabled on your iPad, just turn it off. Now if you have done all that and if your issue is still not fixed, then under Settings just tap on General, and under General just tap on Software Update and check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPad. Then just go back, and under the General Settings, just scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPad. Tap on Reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select Reset Network Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your iPad, you will just reset all the network-related settings of your iPad. Now once the reset process has been completed, just connect your iPad back to the internet and check if your issue has been fixed or not. But if your issue is still not fixed, then the last thing you can do is just go back to Settings, and under Settings just tap on General. Now under the General Settings, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPad and tap on Reset. But this time just select Reset All Settings. Now just enter your lock screen PIN, then tap on Reset. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your iPad. You will just reset all the settings of your iPad in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.